This video will show you how to calibrate a Xenon lamp for the FS5 Spectrofluorometer. First, switch on the instrument and open Fluorical software. Then, open the signal rate window. Place a cuvette of water into the sample holder. Ideally, use distilled or purified water and a quartz cuvette for the best results. To access the Xenon lamp, please see the previous video, Service Access to an FS5v2 Spectrofluorometer, to learn how to remove the white outer cover of the instrument. When the outer cover has been removed, next, loosen the screws off the circular lid using an Allen key. To adjust the vertical Z alignment of the lamp, turn the screw with a screwdriver as shown. To adjust the XY alignment of the lamp, remove the screw and black panels at the front and left sides of the instrument using an Allen key as shown. Then, turn the silver adjustment screws to align using a screwdriver. While you adjust the alignment screws, watch the count rate of the emission detector on the signal rate window. Enter the same wavelength, bandwidth, and light path settings as shown here. Then, press Apply. Aim to maximize the count rate of the emission detector by adjusting the X, Y, and Z alignment screws of the lamp. Once the count rate has been maximised, check the signal to noise of the system. To do this, close the signal rate window and click File, New Spectral Measurement, Service Scan, Sensitivity Validation Scan. Do not change any settings in this window, simply click Start. The sensitivity validation scan should begin as shown. Wait for the measurement to finish.